Your health is your real power. Today we cover the most demanded health tips in the USA, from back pain to best foods, all in one video. Millions in the USA search daily for simple health fixes, especially seniors looking for safe routines. Let's begin with the most demanded one. Lower back pain is the #1 problem in the USA. Long sitting and weak muscles make it worse, but simple exercises can help a lot. Start with gentle knee-to-chest stretch. It relaxes stiff lower back muscles, perfect for seniors and beginners. Cat-cow movements increase spine mobility. Just slow, controlled breathing is enough. Do 10 reps daily. Now let's talk about the USA's hottest topic, belly fat. Most people gain fat due to stress and sugary foods. The fix is simpler than you think. Add high-protein foods to reduce cravings. Protein burns calories even while resting. Eggs are the easiest option. Green tea boosts metabolism safely. Just 2 cups a day is enough. Great for weight control. Protein is America's top health obsession. People want muscle, strength, and fat loss. Here are the best cheap options. Greek yogurt gives high protein with low fat. Perfect breakfast choice. Improves digestion too. Beans are a budget-friendly protein source. Great for US families trying to eat healthier. Add them to lunch or dinner. Walking is the safest exercise in the USA. Good for heart, joints, and weight loss. Just 20 minutes daily makes a big difference. Morning sunlight boosts mood and metabolism. Walk slowly first, then increase speed. Stay hydrated during walk. Walk after meals for 10 minutes. This reduces belly fat faster and controls blood sugar naturally. Knee pain is common among American seniors, but simple exercises can strengthen weak joints. Let's begin with the easiest one. Leg raises build knee stability. Do them slowly for best results, just 10 per leg daily. Wall sits improve leg strength safely. Hold for 10 seconds only. Increase when comfortable. Inflammation causes pain, swelling, and weight gain. Food choices play a big role. Here is what helps instantly. Turmeric reduces joint and body inflammation. Just a pinch daily works, best taken with warm milk. Ginger improves digestion and reduces swelling. Add it to tea or water, safe for daily use. Heart health is a major concern in the USA. Clogged arteries lead to serious problems. Some foods help keep them clean. Oats lower bad cholesterol naturally. Perfect breakfast for seniors. Helps maintain clean arteries. Olive oil protects heart health. Use it instead of vegetable oils. Just 1 tablespoon daily is enough. Let's build a simple full-day healthy routine. USA audience loves easy diet ideas. Here is the best plan. Start with protein-rich meals. Eggs or Greek yogurt work great. Keeps energy stable all morning. Add vegetables with lean protein. Grilled chicken or beans are perfect. Avoid sugary drinks. Keep dinner light and simple. Soup or salad works best. Helps weight control during sleep. If you feel tired all day, you may lack protein. Slow healing wounds are another sign, and frequent cravings too. Drink enough water daily. Hydration improves skin, digestion, and joints. Make it your daily habit. Your health is your biggest investment. Follow these tips daily for strong results. Subscribe for more simple USA-based health videos.